Song number 12, Eyes on the Road, on page 4. We definitely need to keep our eyes on the music because in this piece we have a quarter note followed by a quarter rest, quarter note, quarter rest. So it's important when we are practicing this that we're always slightly looking ahead to see what note it is. It's A, what kind of note, it's a quarter note, and that if there's a rest or a quarter note, right? So let's go ahead and practice this together. Let's go prepare our violin position and playing position, which means our thumb is resting right here at the neck of the violin. I have a hole inside my thumb. My fingers are hovering over the fingerboard, not touching it, but just hovering. My wrist is away from the neck. And most importantly, my left arm has this nice V shape and it is away from the side of the body. I need to have this space. Never like this, but like this, and never like this. So beautiful space inside my left arm with a curve, V-shaped curve, and away from the side of the body. Now let's prepare our bow hold. Our advanced bow hold is index fingers here, middle finger, fourth finger, pinky is curved, balancing on the tip, and Mr. Crocodile is curved inside the bow, just like this. Here we go. This is quarter note A. So I will place my bow, my frog, right here near the bridge. Never here, never here. The bow will always remain here. When you draw it, never over the fingerboard or past the bridge. So here we go. Eyes on the Road, song number 12. I will give you 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop, rest, down, up, down, rest, up, rest, down, up, down, up, down, rest. Please make sure that you are using the entire length of the bow from the frog to the tip and from the tip to the frog. One more time. Violins up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Up bow. Rest. Down. Up. Down. Rest. Up bow. Rest. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Rest. And then we put our violin back to resting position. Happy practicing!